Is your instant hot water faucet dripping even when it's turned off? In this video, I'll show you how to diagnose the leak, access the valve, and make a simple adjustment that may stop the dripping and restore proper performance. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Not all instant hot water faucets are designed the same and may vary slightly depending on the model. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep. If your instant hot water faucet starts dripping, the problem may not be the spout itself. These faucets use 3 connections. Cold water flows into the valve, pulling the handle sends water into the tank, and the pressurized hot water travels back up to the spout. To verify the source of the leak, turn off the water supply under the sink and disconnect the hose leading to the tank. Then turn the handle on and off and watch for drips. If water continues to drip from the valve, it means the valve is not shutting off completely and slowly pressurizes the tank. Step 2. Repair. Access the valve from the top by removing the retaining nut and handle. Underneath is a plunger with 2 O-rings. First, apply some lubricant to the O-rings and test the faucet again. Water flow should return normally, but if the dripping continues, replace the O-rings and test once more. Even with new O-rings installed, the leak may still remain. Step 3. Adjust. As a final attempt, back off the top nut a couple of turns and test the faucet again. If the dripping stops, apply a small amount of thread locker to the nut and reassemble everything. The likely cause is that the plunger sits slightly too low. After testing, the faucet remains leak-free and works normally again. And that's it. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. If this video helped you, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.